What's this madness here? Do I actually see open floor? We did something.
The greatest man alive. Way past 21.
Finally out of the garage. All nice and shined up. It's actually a little dusty now. But we got all new hoses. Rerouted all my wiring. Zippy tie down there. Did some zippy ties here. Unfolded, unraveled. Put the wire kind of like behind the area because snow does kind of pile up on here. Now at least that wire is behind. Shoved up those wires right there. I actually used pledge on these housings. And that actually works out great. Lubed up. All the little attaching pin areas. I even did lube that area right there, even though I said that I wasn't gonna. The squeaking was actually driving me nuts, so there we go. Plow's finally out. Now the only thing is take care of something that's gonna go right along right there. It's actually pretty cool. You might like it. Winter Equipment Company. Are you ready? I know I am.
I think all you need is a small taste of success.